Stonegate Students. Today, Mrs. Torrance is going to share with you just one idea that you can use to make your own jump rope if you do not have a jump rope at home. But this is just one idea. As you know, I'm going to challenge you to also use your creativity. What do you have around your house that maybe you could make a jump rope out of as well? So when you check the enrichment activities on our Canvas modules, that's going to be one of your options that you can do, is to create your own jump rope. But today we are going to make a jump rope out of plastic bags. So all you are going to need is about 10, 12, I use 12 bags to make mine, or I'm using about 12 to make mine. You can figure out how many you are going to need for yours as well. So you are going to need your bags. You are also going to need a pair of scissors and some duct tape or some plastic packing wrap. So once you have those materials, then come on back and I'm going to show you what to do. The first part to making our jump rope out of plastic bags, we're going to take the plastic bag, and at the end you want to kind of poke a little hole at the end of it. That's going to help to keep the air out of it. So you poke your little hole, then you're going to take it and tie a knot in each end. So I'm going to tie a knot in this end, and then I'm going to go to the other end and I'm going to tie a knot about right here. So we're going to have about that much space in between each of our knots. And so once I make my knot, and then we're going to pull it nice and tight, and so this is what you should have for the first piece. You're going to do that with another bag, just like so. I'm going to poke my hole in the end. We're going to get all the air out of it. I'm going to tie my first knot. And then we're going to go to the other end, and about that far apart, tie the other knot at the end. Now, I have two of my bags that I have tied my knots into. So then what we can do is you want to connect your bags. So you want to find the handle end of one. Actually, before we do that step, we're going to take these two bags and we're going to tie them together. So you want to tie them together on the opposite end, not the handle end. We're going to tie those two bags together, just like so. I'm going to pull those tight, and you're going to notice you're going to have a little extra here. You could take your scissors and trim off that little bit of extra if you want to. Okay, so now we have our two bags tied together. So you're gonna do that same thing. You're gonna take two more bags and do that same step, okay? I'm gonna poke the hole in the end of the bag so we can let the air out. So there you go. So keep doing that with the remainder of your bags. Oh, it looks like I've got a little air hole there. So it looks like I need to make my hole a little bigger at the end so I can get that air out, and then tie my knot. So go ahead and with your bags, each bag you want to tie 2 knots into it, just like this. Then you are going to connect 2 bags together, just like what I showed by tying them together, okay? So go ahead, make your knots in your bags, and then tie every 2 bags together. Then come back and I'll show you what's next. Now I have 2 sets of 2 bags tied together to start. So now we're going to start attaching our sets of bags. And so you want to find the handle end of one set of bags and the handle end of another set of bags. You're going to take the handle of one set and you're going to feed it through the other. And then you're going to take the end and go through that handle and then pull it tight to connect your bags. Now you have a longer strand of bags. So you want to continue attaching your double sets of bags together at the handle end until you get just a long enough rope for your jump rope, okay? And remember how we test if our jump rope is just the right size? So carefully what you're going to do is you are going to step in the middle of your okay, so here I am. I have my jump rope and I'm going to hold both ends in my hand. I'm going to step in the middle of it. And then I want to make sure, I want to make sure that the handles of my jump rope come just about or up to my armpits. And then that's when I will know that my jump rope is just about the right size. Okay. So now I have my jump rope that's just about the right size, and I'm going to go down to the middle. I'm going to lay this down here on the floor so you can see that we want it to be even on both sides. And then here's where the duct tape comes in, is we want to put some weight on the bottom of our jump rope so that when it hits the ground, it adds a little extra weight to it. So you see my jump rope, I have my handles up there at the end that are pretty even. Now I'm going to take, for my next step, I'm going to take my tape and I'm going to tape just this bottom section of my rope. I'm going to add some tape to it. So right now I'd like for you to go grab your duct tape and then come on back and I'll show you what you do.